alumni.
Bunch of beaches, bunch of pretty bitches, but don't get it twisted, wrong turn, could be missing. Stay riding with the bros like a car full of siblings. Kush running through my system straight from. Swear you ain't never gon' leave if you get a whiff of this. Yeah, my life is like a movie, nigga, you could get a clip. Here they shooting better chip, that mean you should probably dip. Any city I don't trip out in. Cause bitch, I'm good at where I go. Name any hood better nigga I know. Headed to the store for Swisher Sweets in the tall can Arizona. The sun hotter than the sun. Where you from? Better own up. Throw it up. Throw it. Don't wake me up from my dream, don't wake me up. But I got a £1/4 pound, maybe you could wake me up. All my bitches weigh a buck, 25 buck, 40, born bad like that man straight from. All the way turned up, white tee, pair of chucks, let me redesign you. Been that way since high school, nigga and your girl, she been on my dick since high school. I'm sorry if you move, that's cause I been here, Hollywood all the way to the big T. That's where nigga used to get my draw. Then I'm on Sunset, selling night shows. If it ain't table in the bottle, ain't going. So much smoke, man, the nigga can't breathe. Have some fun, the big girl don't live, stay here. Man, turned into a long night. Something don't feel right. What's all the fuss? I pull, you push. You start to yell. You had a couple drinks and I could tell. I had a couple too, so I yell at you. We start going around like a carousel. You say it's all my fault. Truth is, you might not be wrong. Cause I can feel us starting to fade, and it feels now that I might have let you on. But I didn't mean it, and I miss the shit that we did. I wish that we could take our problems now and just delete them.
How did I stay around for so long?
That's what I keep asking.
How did I stay around for so long?
Yeah.
How did I stay around for so long?
I just can't find the answers.
What I made, I found feels strong.
Seeing all of these missed calls, I don't wanna talk at all. Lately we ain't moving forward. Kinda feels like we stuck on pause. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I brought it on, but you went overboard when you went to my email and logged on. Yeah, you calling me names and I'm calling them back. I'm storming out, later I come right back. Cause I didn't mean it, and I miss the shit that we did. I wish that we could take our problems now and just delete them.